Hi, I'm Aqua with WTI. Do you hate your bathroom light? So did I. So I upgraded it to this beautiful light by AKEZON. This is the gold bathroom 3-light fixture and the finish brush gold. I got the 3-light, but this is also available in 2-light as well. We did a little remodel on our bathroom, and this gave the bathroom the finishing touch to really help pull it together and modernize the bathroom. I just love the way it turned out. It's a really clean look. I like the clear glass globes that lets out a lot of light. And it just really gives off a really pretty light with the Edison bulbs as well. When you walk in, it just sets the mood, sets the tone, really providing beautiful ambiance. This is a really beautiful design that can match many styles. I think it would match mid-century, farmhouse, modern, traditional, just a really nicely designed light. I am super pleased with this light fixture and I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.